At the Nano-Biosensor and Biodevices Laboratory in the School of Medical Sciences and Technology, IIT KGP, we are involved in developing products for a variety of applications ranging from healthcare diagnostics, environment monitoring, and food quality assessment, where our goal is to create sensor devices that facilitate point-of-care and on-site detection in a rapid, user-friendly and industry-scalable manner. Towards this, we deploy a holistic approach by integrating state-of-art technologies such as aptamer development, 3D printing, and nanomaterial synthesis, and combine these with sensor fabrication for sensitive and selective detection of analytes. In the aspect of healthcare diagnosis, we work on various lifestyle-based, autoimmune, and neurodegenerative diseases. Chronic kidney disease is a debilitating lifestyle disorder which affects about 10% of Indian population, and when untreated results in expensive organ transplantation and dialysis. While its early diagnosis improves patient survival and lifestyle, they are impeded by existing blood-based diagnostic procedures which require laboratories, making them non-compatible for on-site testing applications. Towards this, we have developed a disposable strip kit-based salivary sensor that confers a non-invasive, low-cost, sensitive and selective detection of disease-specific analytes. Moreover, with minimal sample processing, the sensor device allows easy handling, thus making it a viable choice for mass screening applications. Autoimmune disease, such as rheumatoid arthritis, affects a significant global population. Yet its diagnosis majorly relies on laboratory-based spectrophotometric, ELISA method. Towards this, we have designed an ELISA on a chip, where we have developed a novel electrochemical scheme for highly sensitive and selective detection of antigen and autoantibodies. The developed sensor exhibited very low limit of detection, and showed performance that is in par with existing gold standard method. Neurodegenerative diseases affects people, especially at their old age, and demands persistent diagnostic interventions. For instance, the Parkinson's disease affected individuals require continual monitoring and support. Hence, towards this, we have developed an on-body patch sensor that constantly monitors the biomarkers related to disease. Further, the sensor device is connected to smartphone and signals caretakers in case of emergency and facilitates non-invasive and continual monitoring of patient, improving the lifestyle. Environmental monitoring, such as evaluating soil and water to assess nutrient levels and other analytes, is another key area of our work, wherein to assess the safe levels of nitrate in soil and water, we have developed Smart Nitrate Soil Sensor. This sensor utilizes novel nanomaterial for nitrate detection and confers highly sensitive detection in minimally processed soil and water samples. Similarly, to assess the levels of harmful pesticides in soil, we have also developed a highly sensitive multiplexed aptasensor which employs highly selective aptamers against 4 different pesticides. These sensors can be deployed for real-time soil health monitoring. Food quality monitoring has garnered immense traction in recent times, especially for storage and transport purposes. For instance, apple, a widely consumed fruit, is affected by mycotoxins like patchoulin and ochratoxin. Hence, towards assessing the levels of these harmful chemicals, we have developed a paper-based smartphone sensor. These sensors confer sensitive detection and periodic monitoring of fruit, improving shelf life and quality. Some of our developed sensor devices have also been tested in field, real-time, wherein we have evaluated the performance of our smart soil sensor in agricultural fields, and have demonstrated the invention in conferences and scientific gathering, conferring appreciation and encouragement from various government and industry stakeholders. Additionally, we strongly believe in the importance of disseminating knowledge to global audience, and are actively involved in publishing research articles, reviews, and book chapters in prestigious peer-reviewed journals, like biosensors and bioelectronics, electrochemical acta, Nature scientific reports and others, many of which are highly cited and read. While we focus on developing the best products, we also recognize the fact that all work and no play make one dull. Hence, we make it a point to celebrate the small successes and have vacations as a group, which improves our morale and contributes to better work culture. Lastly, and most importantly, we firmly believe that research and product development is a team activity, and we humbly thank the funding agency and our collaborators for their support and involvement in our journey towards democratizing healthcare diagnosis and point-of-care testing for environment and food quality monitoring applications. If you want to join us in our journey, feel free to reach out to us via our official website.